Good morning. Happy Friday. Hello, hello, happy Friday. Good morning, good morning. It is the Swag Show. What do you know? Mark, welcome in. JC Sparks. Chispita J, hello. Welcome in. Good morning, good morning. Nappers, Roman, Martin, hello, hello. What do you know? Good morning, good morning. Keep tapping that screen. It is Friday morning, November 8th, 10:34 a.m. Scott, May, Josh, good morning. Hello. Good morning, Shane, Simon, AF, Fib, May. Welcome in. Hello, hello. What do you know? Big Bang, yes. Watching visual long Big Bang ES. What's up, Roland? Good morning, good morning. NQ uh, new in a trade. ES Oracle Big Bang ES. We got all types of stuff going on this morning. Simon, hello. Yeah, I work for her now, so that's what I do. I come on here and I show BoldBot Monday through Friday, 10:30 to 12:30. After Jen and Lauren get done with their live, I go live. Let's see. This is Big Bang ES. Um, what else? ES Oracle. Forsetti, welcome in. How can I join? Just email BoldBotLLC at gmail.com. I've been working for her for just a month now, but I've been a member of the group for 2 years. So, good morning, user BB Jean, Amit, Dario. So, yeah, Simon, if you want more information, please just email BoldBotLLC at gmail.com right there on your screen. Let them know you're interested in joining. Cody, welcome in. Frau. A lot of sideways, weird movements, big wicks, nasty movements this morning. AGM, welcome in. J Cord, Yanatan, random user, hello, welcome. Fori Angel, Cody, welcome in. Mohammed, actor Jimmy, thank you for being here. It is Friday morning. Good morning, morning. Scott, now's the time. $500 for the first month of the standard algorithms. We have a MicroStrategy game plan set up to win approximately $3,900 a month per account. Using that MicroStrategy game plan, running 4 or 5 different strategies. Or maybe if you sign up for the giveaway, you might win at the end of this month, the week of Thanksgiving. I'll be giving away 1 free month of the standard subscription, but you got to follow me. You got to let me know closer to the date. I'm not going to be taking entries right now. But that also means you're going to miss a whole month if you don't sign up right now of all the profits you could be making. So just need help setting everything up to make sure. Yeah. And that's what Irma's for. She double checks all your settings. And then you have a Zoom with me to go over your game plan and your account sizes, and if you're using prop firms and what risk you want to take and all that stuff. So we help you every step of the way. Hey, no problem, Terry. I hope you got everything figured out. If not, message me and I'll help you. I got, I think, 3 Zoom calls after this stream today. Phil, Gary, and Jacques. Yep. Logan, welcome in. Michael Stinger, hello, hello. What do you know? What else is in the trade here? NQ, new visual short. Give you 2 on YouTube over there. If you're watching, Big Bang on the left, NQ visual short on the right. Big Bang ES, that is, NQ visual short on the right. What else? That's really it in the trades right now. Cool Clips, Nate Bow, welcome in. Collins, Christopher T, Andrew, hello. You're welcome, T. Will Salas, welcome in. CPR, Himmel, Shalil, welcome in. One word, 887. Carlos, welcome back. Hello. Good morning, good morning. Keep tapping that screen if you know what I mean. Jelly bean till your fingers turn green. Help me, help you, help others. The more likes I get, the more people can view the stream and might be able to join the BoldBot family if you know what I mean. We are live Monday through Friday, 10:30 to 12:30, showing you live futures market trading using BoldBot, which is a semi-automated trading algorithm for the futures market. And if you want more information, please just email BoldBotLLC@gmail.com. Love Thy Neighbor, J.E. Printed Creations, welcome in. Disguised Joker, hello, hello. Hayden, Chicken Dinner, winner. Thank you for being here. Keep tapping that screen if you know what I mean, Jelly Bean, until your fingers turn green. If you're over on YouTube, make sure you click the thumbs up button. Make sure you subscribe. Leave a comment down below. And we will be here Monday through Friday, 10:30 to 12:30, doing this swag show, showing you BoldBot. 8 different algorithms, 20. We have about 37, 40 different strategies, always improving, changing things. We've got a new one called Gridlock that has already made like $400 today. So we shall see what happens with the rest of the day here. Dennis, welcome in. User Yoda, Dob, Candy, Ronald, Sam, El Regat, I don't know. El Reggio Tiger? I don't know. Something. Renee Sanchez, Diego Romo, welcome in. Mr. H Trades himself, Will, welcome in. NQ Visual Short on the right, Big Bang ES on the left. If you're on YouTube, you can see both. On YouTube, you can see both. On TikTok, you're just going to see one. This is one of the premium algorithms. On the right there, NQ Visual Short, as well as Big Bang. They are $1,500 a month. And if you want more information, please just email BoldBotLLC@gmail.com. Mauricio Hernandez, welcome. Lynn, welcome in. NQ Early was 1 for 1 today if you ran it. The new Range ES is a no play on Friday, but it's green right now, 325. We've got ES Big Bang, what I'm showing you here, green 400 on YouTube. $500 for the first month, $1,000 a month after that. For the standard algorithms, we do have a MicroStrategy game plan that is projected to win around $3,900 a month per account. We also have the standard alerts for manual traders, as well as premium alerts. If you want any of those, just click on the Linktree profile. It has the link directly to it. Lauren also offers a digital mentorship program where she can teach you how to manually trade. If you want more information about any of those, you can just email the email that's on your screen there. BoldBotLLC@gmail.com. Thank you guys for being here, hanging out all week. Jorge Coronado, welcome in. Hindenburg Martinez, Omar. Almost got stopped out there on that NQ visual short, but not quite. See if it can get up and over this 21,200 level. David, welcome in. Ronald, hello. Making Payday, welcome in. Hello. What do you know? Good morning, good morning. This is ES Big Bang over here. Cornelius Florence, welcome in. Clay Portillo. Thank you guys for being here, hanging out on this Friday morning. It is 10:50 a.m. on November 8th, 2024. I hope everybody's making that money today. Having a fantastic Friday. Let's see, where's our good old friend Santa at? There's Santa. Santa's in a trade over here on NQ. Show him. Green 320. Nick Turner, welcome. Scarlett M. Zoe Ray. Welcome in. Hello, hello. What do you know? It's the Swag Show. Thank you for being here. Limitless, welcome in. Thank you for all the likes, the shares, the follows. Not Ryan Reynolds, welcome in. Nick Turner. Cool Clips, welcome. Limitless, Adam Combs. Hello, hello. Can't really see that, can you? I don't know why it's doing that. Just move it over a little bit. Over the 21,200 level now. I can squish them a little bit here. help you see it. Chris Tressler, Bahadur, Eubank, Real Doberman family. Hello, welcome in. Good morning. Thank you for being here. It is Friday, November 8th, 10:53 a.m. This is the Swag Show. My name is Kyle. I'm your host. I do go live Monday through Friday, 10:30 to 12:30, showing you live futures market trading using BoldBot, which is a semi-automated trading algorithm for the futures market. And if you want more information, please just email BoldBotLLC@gmail.com. Juan M. Garcia, welcome to the Swaginators. Mount up. Thank you for the follow. I appreciate you being here. I will be giving away one free month of the standard algorithms come the week of Thanksgiving. But if you want to sign up now, no better time. $500 for the first month, $1,000 a month after that. Sahil Patel, welcome. Aesthetic Juan, hello. Harry P. Otter, welcome back. Hello. TJ DM Malik. Good morning, good morning. How's everybody doing today? Anybody got any weekend plans? Watching any football? Just cleaning the house? What are you doing? What's fun? What's going on in the world today? Very choppy morning. Red, green, red, green, red. Now green again. Christmas consolidation. Right in the heart of the area that it opened at. So it's not really moved much since the open. This is on NQ. NQ, one mini contract on Santa. Now we're getting a move here at 10:56. Big push down here for something. Thank you, Justin. I appreciate it. Good morning. How are you today? What's everybody doing this weekend? Any exciting plans? Anything fun going on? It's been trapped between 20,110 and 20,175 for the past half an hour. The beach weekend? That sounds like fun. I'd rather be on the beach. It's 50 degrees here. What beach? On the ocean or at I'm assuming it would have to be at an ocean someplace south in Florida or California, maybe Texas or Alabama. I don't know. It's got to be somewhere south warmer than where I'm at. That's for sure. I can't find. What can't you find? Quick fix cell phone repair in Florida. Sebastian, nice. Yeah, I liked Florida. I lived down there for a while when I was in college. I liked it until the hurricane. This is not cryptos, Patrick. This is the futures market. We don't do cryptos, stocks, forex, options, only the futures market. What ticker? NQ. Quick fix. It is NQ on the futures market. The NASDAQ. NQ is the NASDAQ. On this particular strategy, Patrick, or I mean Justin, it does not have a take profit. It can keep going as high as it wants to. It has a trailing stop loss. Excuse me, that will take it out when it's supposed to. But how much to sign up? Right now, it's $500 for the first month, $1,000 a month after that for the standard algorithms. We also offer premium algorithms. We also have a digital mentorship program that teaches you how to manually trade, as well as standard and premium manual alerts if you just want to get those. Last month in October, the standard alerts that only cost $100 a month made roughly $9,500 plus dollars if you followed them. And all that from $100 a month. We have made $450 so far. Uh, what's with the standard algorithms is what's with the 500, and that includes Bold Range, Oracle, and Santa. What you just were watching. Now this is Big Bang ES. It's one of the premium strategy algorithms, and it's green in this trade. $365. 300, whatever. 362 now. Very nice. Yeah, it's 500 more a month, so it's 1,500 a month for the premium. But that gets you access to all the algorithms. Do you have an email? Yes, it's right there on the screen. BoldBotLLC at gmail.com. They do the same thing as you. They are horrible at explaining it. I'm sorry. I thought they were very good at explaining it, but I'm here. I try and explain it the best I can and help everybody understand it. They've got a lot more going on in the morning, too. There's a lot more algorithms in the trades, and they're trying to talk with, 50 to 60 people as opposed to just the 10 that I have right now. So it can get hectic trying to trade and stream and answer questions, but I'm here for you guys. Ask me anything you want, and I'll help you. I'll try and answer whatever questions you might have. No, no, I know. Yeah. Jimmy Phillips, welcome to the Swagonators. Mount up. Thank you for being here. I appreciate the follow. Yeah, Patrick, she's got a lot going on, but Jen's funny. She's trying to record stuff for content and trade herself and answer questions. I mean, she does a great job. I know you're not meaning anything bad by it, but she can be all over the place for sure. Royler, welcome in. Didn't catch all of your name there. We got ES, ES, and ES. ES is the only thing in except for Visual Short. You're welcome, no problem. And Visual Short took profit there at $170. So I don't have a personal email to send it to. It just go to the BoldBotLLC at gmail.com. I work for Lauren, so it'll get it'll get to her. Red, green, red, green, red, green, red, green, red, green, red. Christmas consolidation. Not ideal on a 15-minute chart here on NQ to be trading. Awesome, Patrick. That's awesome. We look forward to helping you once you get set up with Irma and she double checks your settings. Then you'll have a Zoom call with me and we will kind of go over the game plan strategy for you. So, yeah, good morning. I don't see the one for just 100 a month on the website. No, it's not on the website, Desiman. But if you email and say you just want the manual alerts, you're welcome. No problem. Big Bang. What else is in a trade here? kind of put this up here for you. On YouTube, you can kind of see two different strategies, both in a long on ES Big Bang on the right, ES Oracle on the left. Although it doesn't really promote Oracle anymore because ES Range New is what kind of got put on there instead. Just nasty, nasty wicks here. On NQ this morning. Which one performs better, Visi or Gridlock? That's a hard question to answer because Gridlock's brand new, so I don't know enough to tell you an honest answer yet. It literally just came out like 2 days ago. I know Jen seems to like Oracle, but what is a good beginner spot? All the ranges. The MicroStrategy game plan that we set you up for basically uses just the range algorithm, and it's projected to win $3,900 a month per account. So I would say those. Yeah, and you do, Ian. She has the Oracle Silver that she really loves on Fridays. It seems to do really good. Um, but there are different strategies for different days of the weeks that do better, and we just kind of follow that game plan, and we help you out with that. So, what's my everyday play? NQ early, NQ later. Except NQ early on Fridays, even though it did win today. And then I like the new ES on a couple of days a week. There's 4 or 5 of the ranges that I use, and then Gridlock I'm going to start using. But yeah, you have to be able to monitor some of them on the if they have big drawdowns and you're just starting out and you need to stay within the threshold or the drawdown. But that's why we created the MicroStrategy game plan, so you don't have to worry about doing any of that. Only after you make certain ones take certain amounts, but like Apex, you get to keep the first 25,000 you make, and then it's a 90-10 split your way. And most of those prop firms follow right around there, that same amount. Some are 15,000, but Fast Track is no more, so only Tradeify and Apex right now that I'm using. No, the only one that might be premium that I would consider using every day would be the Big Bang. Um, NQ, maybe Big Bang ES. ES London Waves is usually really good overnight. That's another one that you can use most days. So they closed. Fast Track is no more. They basically, for lack of better terms, scammed people out of their money. Even though the CEO, Scott, put on his site that they have a email that you're supposed to email to get a refund. We'll see how true or how much that how many people actually get their money back. Yeah, that was really quick and really sad. They couldn't handle it. They didn't, I guess they thought they could handle all the traffic and funding and payouts, and it was just too much for them to handle. They didn't know what they were getting themselves into, I guess. But unfortunately, it's probably going to lead to tighter restrictions on other prop firms, which could be good, could be bad. So do you just ramp up and keep investing into more bots? No, not necessarily. If you find something that's working for you and meeting your daily goals, you just use those algorithms. We just offer a lot of different ones because everybody's account sizes are different and risk size and management is different. So we offer a wide variety of products, but most people can stick to the MicroStrategy game plan with the standard algorithms and make really good money on each account each month. So once you build up a big enough buffer, then you can try and take more risks, or if you're able to sit in front of your computer and monitor some of these trades and take more profit as you go, you can do that as well. But these are automated. You don't have to sit there and monitor it, but you have the option to. That's why we call it a semi-automated trading algorithm. So Big Bang, ES, Oracle ES, Range New ES, and Visual Long. Let's see. Kevin Kev, welcome in. Good morning, sir. Cool Clips, welcome back. 550 on ES Big Bang, 240, 250 on NQ Visual Long on the left on YouTube if you're over there. Let's get up to 5,000 likes by 11:30. Keep tapping that screen if you know what I mean, Jelly Bean, until your fingers turn green. Thank you for being here. Not much, man. We're just chilling, freezing our butts off. Cold. Not raining, at least. But we're in here. We're watching Big Bang ES on the right, NQ Visual Long on the left on YouTube. On TikTok, you're just watching ES Big Bang, green $550 right now. Trying to find out what we're going to do this weekend. Might take the kids to the circus. Don't know yet. Depends on how they act. Got the local Shriners Circus or something this weekend, Saturday, and might do that, might not. You never know. NQ's looking like garbage. Red, green, red, green, red, green, green, red. Choppy, choppy. Lots of wicks. Staying within a pretty much confined zone from 21,210 all the way down to 21,170 for the past hour. Even longer, really. Even since the open, it's been in this range. It did wick up a little bit and out of that, but for the most part, staying within that 40-point range-ish. Definitely a crazy day today. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're at on planet Earth. It is the Swag Show. Thank you for being here. I appreciate each and every one of you hanging out, trading with me, watching me trade. I hope you're trading and making some money. I'm freezing. It's cold in my house. But I'm not going to break down and turn the heat on. I'm just going to bundle up in a blanket and sit here. Electricity bills get too expensive turning the heat on every 10 minutes. I've got it set to a brisk 65. We'll keep it above 65. But what do you guys keep your house at in the winter? That's what I want to know. Let's see. Can we run a poll? Maybe. Let's see. More chat settings. All right, polls up, guys. No, I don't want that one. Where's my new poll? This one. This is what I want. Under review. Why is it under review? What do you set the temp in your house in winter? Why is it under review? This is so crazy. 78? That's not what you sent your temperature to. AK, there's no way you set the temperature in your house to know 78 degrees. Are you serious? There. The poll is up. Go vote. 73, I'm outside freezing all day, so I want it to be a live thaw out. Yeah. Jason, I understand where you're coming from. You're out in the middle of nowhere. In the fields. Freezing. Dealing with them cattle or whatever. Farmer's life. All right, poll is up for an hour. Little blue check mark in the upper left probably of your screen. Little clipboard. Click on it. Vote. 78 is illegal. Yeah. I'd hate to have your electricity bill, AK, every month. Yeah, there's no way. No way I am setting my house to no 78. That's like way too expensive. Is the market going to move above this 21,210 or not? What's it going to do here? 212, 210. Who knows? I know Shane down in Florida, he doesn't have to turn his heat on at all because in Florida, it's always warm down there. I don't think they ever turn their heat on in Florida. I don't think I did when I lived down there. Not even in the wintertime. Maybe, but I don't quite remember. Long time ago in a galaxy far, far away. Oh, somebody needs to just slap me when I do that. I don't think we have a heater. Oh, Shane. The warm weather of Florida would be nice. Here, looks like we're testing it. We're getting right above it there. 14, 214, 215. Is it finally going to go up and over 220? We shall see. It is 11:26, so usually this is when we notice it gets choppier, but now it's kind of trying to push up before lunch here on a Friday. Maybe they want to make their money before lunchtime and then they can be done for the day. Done for the week on this crazy week. $635 on Big Bang ES. You're watching on YouTube Visual NQ Visual Long. It's green 530. It got in at 21,189. I hope everybody is done and safe. If you're not done trading already, It is a crazy market today, this morning. Very wicky, very choppy. A lot of people busting accounts, over trading. Sometimes you got to just stop, shut it off, and walk away. Jeff, good morning. Hello. Keep tapping that screen if you know what I mean. Jelly bean till your fingers turn green. We got to get to 5,000 likes before lunchtime at least. Come on, guys. You can do it. Help me, help you, help others. Right up against that 21,220 level. We'll see if it can break through it. Kind of rejected right off of it there, didn't it? If you're looking at NQ, it just excuse me, rejected right off of that 21,220 level. Having a hard time getting over that today. It wicked over it 3 times, but that was it. Otherwise, it's been under 210. So we'll see if it gains momentum this afternoon and can continue to run up, or what it's going to do. Two. $500 on NQ Visual Long, $650 on ES Big Bang. Both of them in a long here. Thank you for being here and tuning in. We got an hour left of the show. Keep tapping that screen if you know what I mean. Jelly bean until your fingers turn green. And we'll see if we can make you a little bit of green as we go along the way throughout the day. Hey, what do you say? Let's see, what does the poll say? Only one person has voted. Go vote, guys, on the poll. There's 10 of you in there. There should be 10 votes on the poll. Just click on the little blue check mark in the upper left of your screen. It'll open up the poll. And the poll is just asking you what temperature you set your house to in the winter. Hey, can we create more than one account on one email? As far as what, Patrick? What type of account are you talking about? This is my first time on, so I'm not completely sure what the standard alerts consist of. So doesn't mean they consist of getting alerted on gold, oil, NQ, ES, and they will tell you what the entry point is, how much to risk, and where your take profits should be. So I hope that kind of clears it up. And they're for manual They're manual alerts for manual trading on those products. As far as having more than one account, Lolo said she has a lot of accounts. But are you talking about for trading? Like, because you can have multiple, like, PA accounts or performance accounts through Apex. You can have up to 20 of them. And then you can have 7 different Tradeify accounts. And no, you don't need a new email for each one. That's just what the prop firm offers. You're welcome. Still battling, trying to get above that 220. Having a hard time. On NQ. Yeah, you can have 20 on Apex. You can have 7 on Tradeify. I think you can have 5 on Take Profit Trader. I don't know how many on Top Step or My Funded Futures you can have, but if you maxed out the amount of funded accounts you could have on every one, it'd probably be over or close to 40, I'm guessing. 20 Apex, 7 Tradeify is 27, 5 on Take Profit would be 32, so somewhere probably around 35 to 40 accounts right now. If you used all the legitimate prop firms, not the ones that are scams and trying to take your money. You just got to do your due diligence and research and make sure they are a reputable company. Yeah, as long as they connect to NinjaTrader, you'll be good. So Tradeovate, if they connect with Tradeovate, which NinjaTrader now owns Tradeovate, so yeah, if they work with that company, you'll be good to go. What do you think of Costco? My Costco is tanking. I don't know because I don't trade stocks. I just trade the futures market. But I'm sorry that your Costco is tanking. I think with the news of the rate cut and with Trump in office, and hopefully all the prices of groceries and commodities and everything will start to go back down. I don't know why that would cause Costco to go down, but like I said, I don't study individual stocks at all, so I'm sorry. There's no limit, Patrick, on the amount um, of accounts that can be ran on it, but you would need Replicanto, which is a trade copier. And there's a link to that in my link tree on my profile right here on TikTok. You can use discount code BoldBot20 to get 20% off the one machine lifetime membership. And that makes your life a lot easier when you have Replicanto to be able to decipher which accounts are going to run which strategies each day. But yeah, you definitely want to get that. And a good VPS, which is a virtual private server. So right now we're green 625 on Big Bang ES, 480 on NQ Visual Long. So inactivity. TikTok Live Studio says inactivity detected. Do they not hear me talking? Like what? I don't understand TikTok Live sometimes. I'd like to run like 20 accounts and screens. No, you don't need that many screens or charts open. Most of our algorithms you can put on one chart and just open different tabs on that chart, and go from there. Like Like here, I'll show you. So on this one, you could see all these tabs at the bottom. Those are like different algorithms you could put on there if you wanted to. I have three computer monitors, but I'm looking at a whole bunch of different stuff too. So I've got one that's like my accounts and what's going on, what's trading. That's when I look over here to the left, I can see all my strategies. Then I got this one up here to my left that monitors the YouTube chat and the TikTok chat and different strategies. And then the one on the right is for streaming, and that's what I'm showing you on screen on YouTube and TikTok. So, but you really you could get away with like a big 37-inch monitor or something, 32-inch, maybe even a 27-inch monitor, something like that. You'll be fine. But 11:39 on November 8th, 2024. Welcome in. Good morning. Keep tapping that screen. Lets people know that we are alive and well and you're liking what you're watching. My name is Kyle. If this is your first time tuning in, this is the Swag Show. I go live Monday through Friday, 10:30 to 12:30 Eastern Standard Time, showing you live futures market trading using BoldBot, which is a semi-automated trading algorithm in the futures market. And if you want more information, please just email BoldBotLLC@gmail.com. $500 for the first month, $1,000 a month after that for the standard algorithms, $1,500 a month for the premium. Also, there's a digital mentorship that teaches you how to manually trade. Or if you're already a manual trader, we have standard and premium manual alerts. $100 a month for the standard, $500 for the premium. The standard alerts alone last month in October made over $9,000 off of a $100 investment. So, no problem, Patrick. I'm glad I can help and be informative. That's why I'm here. That's why I go live every day, to help others. Which product are you using on ES now? My hope is to earn money from the standard alerts, then use the profits for the other bots. Yeah, so the one on the right is Big Bang ES Decimin. And then on the left with the eyeballs, that is NQ Visual Long. But Big Bang ES is on the right. That's kind of covered up on YouTube. Long and short, both in a trade. Look at that, 11:45, Shane. Imagine that. Visual long and short, both in a trade at the same time. Happens almost every day, right around this same time. BM Limelight, hello. Hi, Kyle. I'm ready to sign up for the BoldBot. How does this work when I pay through PayPal? So you'll get an email response, a welcome email. You'll get an invitation to the Slack group. And then once you're in there, you will get sent the algorithms. It helps if you already have Apex or Tradeify and NinjaTrader downloaded and up and going, but all the instructional videos will be sent to you on how to get set up and going. So yeah. How many bots do you have? We have 8 different algorithms, about 37 different strategies within those algorithms. Which usually wins? Well, they all win overall long term. Otherwise, we wouldn't be offering them to the members. They would be put in timeout and tweaked, or they stay in timeout until they start performing better. And we tell you which ones are performing the best. But the most successful one right now we have is NQ New Range. It has a 96% win rate, roughly. Okay, how well does that one normally do? Big Bang, that is. Big Bang ES, usually I can pull it up and tell you. Let's see here. So Big Bang ES for the past 2 days has won $1,262 in 2 days. I don't know why it's only giving me 2 days worth of data, but yeah. All right, visual is out of a trade. What else is in a trade? Shorts in a trade. Um, that's it. So look at those wicks. That's what happens when you expand it to see what's really going on. I have NinjaTrader funded with a cash account, then you're good to go. No, I meant which usually wins between Vizzy Long and Vizzy Short when they're both in a trade. I mean, that's an impossible question to answer. There is no which one usually wins. It just depends on which way the market moves, really. Depends on which way the market's moving at that time. Some days they'll both be like green 100 or 200 actually, um, which is weird, but it happens. Right now, short won because short's still in its trade, but so getting the $100 alerts, I just hop on trades myself. Yeah, but you have to be watching it. You have to be watching the alerts because they're like instant. As soon as it gets in a trade, it sends you an alert, and you need to get in that trade right away. And then they're probably 90% accurate on the win rate, especially on gold and oil. But yeah, you get gold, oil, NQ, and ES. So you can even size down and run it on micros if you wanted to. You don't have to run it on a mini. You know, you could run it on 2 micros, 4 micros. You just got to remember that each contract is a commission. So, but everybody has a different size account, a different level of risk they're willing to take, and you just got to figure out yours and stick to your plan. Those 2 bots that are running, do you pay 1,000 each monthly? No, those are both premium algorithms that I'm showing you right now. Those are 1,500 a month, and you get access to all the algorithms if you sign up for premium. So, how do we get out of the trade after an alert? Well, you should have an ATM strategy set up already, Patrick. And we can talk more about that if you sign up, but it basically puts an stop loss and a take profit on there for you, or you can create one with a trailing stop. It's totally up to you what you want to do, but it'll close out after you enter a trade with an ATM, which means it has a set defined take profit or and also a stop loss. So all right, NQ short, NQ range open, ES new range is a no, ES oracles, and Big Bang ES, which we're watching. Okay. As long as you set it up that way, Patrick, you have to create the ATM strategy yourself inside a NinjaTrader, but it's really easy to do. So you can just YouTube how to set up an ATM in NinjaTrader and it'll walk you through it. Josh Carson, hello, welcome back, sir. But if you wanted to do one with like for each product, it usually has like the same take profit and stop loss. If not, you can create it with like 2 different micro contracts, and then once you're in the trade, just move your take profit to those targets or your stop loss to wherever you want the stop loss to be for that trade. But yeah. Visual long in a trade in a long here at 21,201. No, you're not bugging me at all, man. That's what I'm here for. I am here to answer all your questions. Please do not feel like you're bugging me. Keep asking. The more you ask, the more people learn, and that's a good thing. $140, $150, $175 on NQ. Switch it up here so the people on TikTok can see NQ visual long. So, Patrick, you can kind of see on now that I put this one on here. This pink line that says sell, that's your stop loss. The blue line way up here, that's your take profit. So when you create an ATM, it would basically have those set for you, determining or based on whatever you set them as. But on a manual trade, it's the same thing. You just set that up. But this algorithm has it built in, so. Choppy. It's moved up now still to 21,190 all the way up to 21,220 and has not gotten out of that range on NQ. So we shall see. LV, welcome in. Floor MKT, welcome to the Swagonators Mount Up. Thank you for the follow. I appreciate you being here. Keep Fight, welcome in. Good morning. Hello. What do you know? It's the Swag Show. Thank you for being here. Santa is in a trade here as well. Do you guys want to watch Santa? We can watch Santa on one or the other, YouTube or TikTok. Maybe we can watch 3 if I can squish them. There we go. Uh-oh, lost Santa now. Got to bring him back up. There we go. Now we're watching 3 on Friday. Look at that. 3 different algorithms all in a trade, all in longs. NQ visual long on the right with the eyeball, Santa down below left with the reindeer, and Big Bang ES in the upper left on YouTube. Looks like it finally broke above 220 on NQ. We'll see if it can continue to go up and away. It just got in, which one? On visual long, it got in at 21,201. So it just got in not too long ago on the one you're watching on TikTok. This is one mini contract on each strategy. I'm willing to invest in myself and use the returns to pay for it after. With that being the case, which would you recommend to start with? The standard algorithms, Desmond, over on YouTube. Yeah, just use the manual alerts to save up enough to either get some prop firm accounts or a cash account, whatever you want to do. But yeah, and then just sign up for the standard algorithms and let the MicroStrategy game plan work for you. And then you can still continue to use the manual alerts as well. You can just have a cash account, and you can have prop firm accounts, and maybe put the prop firm accounts on the algorithms, and do whatever you want to do. But we can have a meeting about it once you sign up, trying to help you figure out what you want to do. Everybody's needs are different, guys, so everybody's accounts are different. Everybody's MicroStrategy game plan will be about the same, but some people could take bigger risk than other based on their account sizes. So Santa is going up and away here. Let me put that screen there so we can see him over on YouTube. TikTok, you're still watching NQ Visual Long, green $415 now. It is 11:54. We're almost to 5,000 likes. Need 900 more taps of that screen. But thank you for being here. If this is your first time tuning in, my name is Kyle. I am your host. This is the Swag Show. I go live Monday through Friday, 10:30 to 12:30 Eastern Time, showing you live futures market trading using BoldBot, which is a semi-automated trading algorithm for the futures market. And if you want more information, please just email BoldBotLLC@gmail.com. And we go live starting at 9:30 with the BoldBot beauties of Jen and Lauren right here on TikTok. Sometimes Lauren hops on YouTube as well, but you moving the stop loss? No, it's automatically moving up for me. My hands are right here. Look, Mom, I'm in outer space. No hands. No. See that? It's moving up for me. That's part of the algorithm. Part of that strategy is it has a moving trail stop loss that will move up and take more profit the higher it goes. The ultimate target on Visual Long is $2,000. It will take profit at $2,000, or if it draws back down and hits the stop loss. Now, with that being said, I can manually move it. I can click on it and move it up or down as far as I want to. But if I want to just let the algorithm do its thing, I just let it do its thing. What happened to Santa? Santa kind of got pushed out to the side here. There we go. 450 on Santa, 687 on Big Bang ES, and now 600 on NQ Visual Long. That'd be over $1,000 in trades green right now, guys. That would be a heck of a day. We could just close all these out and be done if we had them on two different accounts. You couldn't have Santa and Visual Long on the same account, though, because it could interfere with itself. When Santa takes a short, Visual Long would cancel it out. So you got to have two different accounts minimum to run both of those. ES Big Bang, you could have that on either account because it's a different product. So I recommend the more accounts you get, the easier it is to make a lot of money, because you only need to make a little bit of money to make a lot of money with more accounts. So I hope that makes sense as well. $100 a day is $2,000 a month. That's all you need to do. $100 a day is $2,000 a month per account. If you had 10 accounts, that's $20,000 a month. You would need a couple of months to build up a buffer to be able to withdraw from it. But as long as you're patient and you can play the long game, which is what this is all about, then you'll be okay. After 2 or 3 months, you'll have a nice buffer in there. You can start withdrawing $1,000 a month per account. And then look at you. Then you're withdrawing $10,000 a month. All from making $100 a day, which is very easy to do using the algorithms, even on micros. So with 2 accounts, would Vizzy and Big Bang be a good play for each? Yeah. You could do that for sure. And even the new gridlock, that's the new algorithm that just came out. That would be a good one to run as well if you didn't want to run visual, because she is going to be giving that away to the standard members, so you wouldn't even need to upgrade to premium unless you wanted Big Bang. Can you buy a single strategy? No, Walter. So you either sign up for the standard algorithms or the premium algorithms. And the standard, you get range, oracle, and scalper. And inside of those 3 algorithms, there's about 20 plus strategies. Then if you wanted to go with premium, you get access to the other 5 or 6 algorithms with the other 30 or whatever strategies that go along with those. So but it's a month-to-month lease. So no, gridlock, not Vizzy. Gridlock is going to standard, and that's the new one. So all right. Oh, that's out of a trade. So let's put Santa over here so you guys can see something. $250. What happened? Why is it not moving? Oh, sorry about that. There we go. Uh-oh, canceled. There we go. Hello, are we there? I don't know what happened. I guess we lost you there for a second. Alrighty. Big Bang ES on the left now on YouTube, and Santa on the right. Santa was way up here at way up here. Probably $600. I don't know how high he got. 35 and we're down to 20, so yeah. All right, we got ES Big Bang now. That's the only thing left in a trade besides Oracle ES and ES New Range. But let's see. Thank you guys for being here, tuning in. I appreciate it. It is Friday, November 8th, 2024. Cold, hungry, tired. All right. 20 minutes left until the poll ends on the temperature that you guys like to keep your house in the winter. Still only one person voted. Guys, all you got to do is click on the little blue clipboard icon in the upper left of your screen and go vote. I'm really interested to see what people keep their house at in the winter. I don't know why. I just am. I'm just interested in knowing that information. All you got to do is click that blue check mark in the upper left corner, that little blue clipboard with the timer counting down, and go vote. Let me know what you keep your house at in the winter. If you need a heater, that is. Some people live in Florida and they don't need heaters. But us here in the Midwest, we like to freeze our butts off and we need heaters. We don't really like to freeze, but Lone Star Tiger, thank you for the likes. Appreciate you being here. Big Bang just closed out there. Big Bang ES Green, $487.50. Santa's not in trade right now. Mm-hmm. 12:05 p.m. Good afternoon, officially, to most people. To others on the West Coast, you're still in the morning. Right now, this is ES Oracle. It's kind of been replaced by the ES New Range, but it still does very good. Let's see. What else is in a trade? Anything? Bueller? Anyone? Hmm. Any other questions, comments? Let me know now. Speak now or forever hold your peace. We got about 20 minutes left in the stream today. I got a busy day full of Zoom calls with new members. Got to help them out. Got to try and keep them. A lot of people upset about the fast track situation. ES Oracle. It's not very fun to watch. It's kind of slow, but hey, it's making that dough. What do you know? Ho, 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 right? Santa. Get it? No, it's not even Santa. Santa is on lunch break anyway. I don't know why I'm showing that. He's on lunch break, right? Yeah, 11:55. He goes to lunch with the reindeer. Eats the milk and cookies. Kind of a slow moving lunchtime right now. Do, 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 do. Let's look at the. Oops, wrong one. Let's look at the results page here. See what's happening on this Friday. Nothing quite yet in the results page. Silver day PBV made $2,200. That's the only thing that I've got, and that is premium for silver, $2,250. Do, 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 do. Hey, Ray, welcome in. What's going on, buddy? We grooving today. We're moving and grooving, chilling and relaxing on, maxing on, cooling on, waiting, however that goes. Yes, Oracle. I don't know, just showing that, because it's really the only thing in a trade right now, besides the ES new. NQ Visual Short is in a trade. Where'd it go? Put this up over here. Move this over there. NQ Visual Short, my friends. Green 200, so easy if you just stick with the plan. 200 a day. If that's your goal, move your stop loss up close and, take your profit and turn it off and walk away. Can you use a bot on Apex? I thought that was against the rules. Troy, it is if it's a fully automated trading algorithm. Ours is a semi-automated trading algorithm. And if you listen to the last message that they put out, the last video, he specifically mentioned using algorithms as long as you can sit there and monitor it and move your stop loss and take profit accordingly, they are allowed. So yeah, ours is allowed with Apex. The fully automated ones are not allowed, but ours is a semi-automated trading algorithm, so it is allowed. And that was specifically in the last video done by John a couple weeks ago, I think. So they help you get into better entry points, and then you can manually move the stop loss from there if you want to, and that's why they're allowed. Not saying you have to, but you can. So, but thank you for the question. Very good question. I hope everybody is going to have a fantastic weekend. I hope you have fun plans planned. Spend it with your friends, family, have some fun, relax, enjoy your life. I hope you're done making your money for today. If not, you got to swag. You got to stop when you're at your goal. Do you run Santa every day? Yeah. Not necessarily on a live account, but he is running for streaming purposes, for content purposes, and just to see how he performs. Some days I'll run him on my live accounts and I will manually take profit as he gives it right out of the open. But after that, I just turn them off my live accounts because usually I can get at least 100, if not more, per day off of them when I do use them. Let's see. There's ES new range on YouTube. Green $400 on it. What happened to FTT? They got us. Got them, unfortunately. Seems like they couldn't handle the business of being a prop firm, and they shut down. And supposedly there is an email if you did have accounts for a refund, but I don't know how many people are going to get their money back, but unfortunately, they are shut down. Um, I feel bad because I did have an affiliate link with them. I don't know how many people signed up through them, through me, but I didn't get any money from them. So I hope you get your money back. I hope that email is true and people will get a refund for most of their money, if not all. But it's just a mess. It's a sad situation. Yep. They just couldn't handle it. So we have Apex, we have Tradeify, we have Take Profit, we have Top Step, and My Futures Funded. I think are the only ones that are legitimate right now. I wouldn't go with anything else unless you're already with somebody else that I didn't mention and you have gotten paid out multiple times and you know they are legitimate. So, but yeah, it's a big fat suck to the industry of prop firms. I'm sure there's going to be a lot more regulations that are going to follow due to this for all the other prop firms that they're going to have to follow. So we shall see what happens. NQ visual short on the right, ES new range on the left on YouTube. Green $500 there. Yeah, I think everybody was kind of waiting, but like they said, if you can't get on Tradeovate, that means you can't get on NinjaTrader, and that means there's a problem. If they denied you, then something's probably wrong. So, all right, the timer on the poll about what you keep your temperature in the winter in your house is about up. If you haven't voted already, which most of you have not, please click on the poll. It's the little blue check mark with the timer in the upper left corner of your screen. Click on that. I'm really interested to see what most people keep their house at in the wintertime. That is, if you don't live in the South and you don't need a heater because it's always warm. But us folks here in the Midwest and the upper northern hemisphere, we freeze our butts off and we need it to turn our heaters on in the winter. So I have not yet broken down and turned mine on. I keep it at 65 is what I keep mine. So if it ever gets down below 65 in my house, it will kick on. But right now it's sitting at 69 degrees. So it has not yet had to kick on today. Must have good insulation in here. Because it's like 50 outside. But insider trading, something like that. I don't know. Whatever your name was, welcome to the stream. What do you know? It's the Swag Show. 27 seconds left in the poll. If you haven't voted, just disappointed. I'll be back Monday, though. Yeah, we will be back on Monday. Lauren and Jen will probably be on TikTok starting at 9:30. We do go live Monday through Friday, 9:30 to 12:30 Eastern Time. And then Mr. Will, Mr. H Trades, he's in the chat. Follow him. He goes live in the afternoon showing more of the algorithms at work. So, yeah, drop us a like, a follow, a share. The poll results were one person voted and it was 100%. Two people voted. 72 is what they keep their house at in the winter. So there he is right there. Make sure you go follow Mr. H Trades. That's Will. He is a member of the BoldBot family as well. But he also streams on his channel, so make sure you follow him. Give him a shout out. He goes live in the afternoon. I think it's 2 Eastern. Is that right, Will? 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. Is that what you're doing, or are you just doing 2 to 3 now? I forgot. Everybody's lives have kind of changed and schedules have changed around, so I can't keep up with everything right now. Two to 4? Okay, there you go. So if you want to see more BoldBot later this afternoon, make sure you follow him. He will be on 2 to 4 Monday through Friday, showing you more of the algorithms at work, maybe even market replay, because Will usually is done with his trading in the morning. And yeah, we'll go from there. We'll have a great weekend. But come on back and see me on Monday. But I think for now, reloading my TikTok live app now. Yeah, it did an update for me too. It looked like some pretty cool things coming in this update. I didn't figure out how to use any of it today, but I like the microphone, like sound effect things. It said you were going to be able to tweak how your voice sounds and stuff like that, along with a couple of other cool things. So looking forward to trying to figure out that maybe this weekend. But for today, I think I'm going to call it a day. If you're on YouTube, make sure you drop a like, comment down below. Make sure you subscribe. Turn on the bell notifications. I'll see you on Monday. And for you people on TikTok, I love you. Peace. I'll be here on Monday, 10:30 to 12:30. You guys have a great weekend, and I'll see you.